say. All of them.
Tom, I can't stand it. Tom, I can't stand it. Tom, I can't stand it.
These kids will try anything for kicks. A hopped-up car, an innocent girl.
I don't want it.
Hey, just don't play games with me.
And maybe even murder.
Just stand there, chicken. Don't move.
They call him you. And he uses girls the same way he uses cars, for kicks.
Get lost, Ernie. You think you can handle him? You're just a kid.
I've never kissed a boy before.
Is that what you want? To wind up in a motel room with any man?
All you think about is me getting married. What if something happens to the man I married? What if he gets to be like Dad?
They're trying to kill us, Peg. We've got to do business on their terms. Get back!
No, 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 no limit.
Run him off the road, Duke! Run him off the road!
Day and day, night and night, and day and day and night. These kids will try anything for kicks.
Wind up in a motel room with any man?